guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Athena, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing from BoxyCharm, and this is the August box that we have this month. This is what the box always looks like when it comes in the mail. It's pretty simple, and let me just cut this. There we go. Okay, so sorry, I did swatches just a minute ago, but this is what inside of the box looks like. Well, this is a little damaged, but that's what the inside of the box looks like. This little thing here tells you what the products are inside the box and how much they retail for. And usually on the back of it, they also have a coupon for a certain percentage off of, one of the brands inside the box. This is also a themed box as well. The theme is Life of the Party, and that's what it looks like. It's really cute, and it has everybody's Twitter that's in this picture, so you can follow all of them. Yeah, and then there's the list of everything that's in the box, but we're not going to get into that right now. We're just going to go ahead, and this is what is in my box this month. Obviously you can see that there's a pair of lashes, and if you guessed House of lashes, then you guessed right. I have never tried these before. These look like I've never tried any House of lashes. I've tried a Drell, I think is what it is, and a couple Kiss as well. These ones are Sweet Romance. And it says handmade with love on the back of it. I love it. Let's see. I want to actually look at these. I don't really wear lashes, I'll be honest with you. I have a time or two, and it's just never really worked out. I'm still new at it. But those are what they look like. Let me take the plastic off here. Those are some thick lashes. Oh, do you guys like my lashes? Anyways, yeah, those seem like they are gonna be really light, which is really great. I'm not sure if these are cruelty free or not. I tend to stay away from things that aren't cruelty free, but okay, so it says human hair and or synthetic blends. It says that they're ultra lightweight, which is totally a plus. That is so nice. Okay, I love it. And it says that they're reusable too, so that's really nice. Okay, anyways, on to the next thing here. We have another product. If you watched my Ipsy video, you saw that we had something from Bang Beauty as well. Here's obviously another product. This looks like it's, well, it doesn't really say. Oh, it says chocolate, so it could be like an eyeshadow or an eyeliner or something. Oh, it looks like a gel liner. Yep, it's a gel liner in the shade chocolate. We're gonna take a look. Ooh, that is chocolate. I'm not really that big of a fan of gel liners just because they kind of smear a bit. But anyways, that's from Bang Beauty. It's pretty cute. Okay. And then the next thing I'm pulling out is from SmashBox. It's a Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Spectacle, which sounds like a red. It is probably a red. Ooh, it's really like a high quality metal. Ooh. Oh girl, that is red. Ooh, I don't know. Should we try it on? Shall we try this on our lips? We'll swatch it. We'll swatch. I don't really wear red, but we're gonna swatch it. I'm wearing chapstick on, so it might be a little hard to get it on. It's not that bad, actually. It's definitely brighter in real life than it is on cam. Let me see if I can... Yeah, that's like... It's more orangey than anything. That's kind of weird. I mean, it's a pretty shade. Like I said, I don't really wear colors like this, but I might. It's like a real creamy formula too, which is really nice. Anyways, moving on. The next thing, Adesse, is that how you say it? Adesse, or maybe it's just Adesse, New York. It's organic infused anti-aging, or no, it's age-defying nail treatment. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's like a clear coat. That's nice. Age-defying nail treatment. That's really nice. I have obviously terrible looking nails. I'd considered getting acrylics done. Sorry, I'm still stained from when I painted my nails green. It sucks. Anyways, that's from Adesse, New York. I think I said that right. Okay, so we have another thing from Wonder Beauty. I love Wonder Beauty, okay? I loved the mascara that I got. I loved the liquid highlighter that I got. It says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Ooh, so I got 3 of them. Oh. Okay. Okay. They go under your eyes. Hell yeah. Put these in the fridge. But yeah, Wonder Beauty, it's really late here, so I'm having a hard time, like, you know. But yeah, I'm excited to try those out. And then this is the last thing in the box. This is what I was super excited. Hold on, let me take it out of the package here. Super excited to look at because it's an eyeshadow palette, and it's from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. I love her so much, and it's the Party Animal palette, and also it is cruelty free. Has the cute little bunny on the back of it, cruelty free. Laura Lee, if you're watching this video by chance, I just want to say that I love you so much, and I'm like one of your biggest fans ever. But anyways, let's look at these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like the best ever, okay? Hold the front door here. We'll take this plastic off. Look at those shades. Okay, so all of them are matte except for this pink one, and it's sparkly, and I kinda wanna try it. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so pink. I love it. Oh, look at you can see the sparkle. Oh my god. Like, this is so beautiful. I love it. I'm not really a pink eyeshadow kind of gal, but this palette makes me want to be. Okay. I mean, let's just dip our fingers into this here, okay? I already swatched the pink. Ooh, that's a purple. Ooh, that's like super dark. I want to try it. It seems like it'll have a bit of fallout, but it looks like it has like a metallic color to it. Do you see it? Like, it's just so weird. I didn't swatch it that great, but like, look at that. It's just wonderful. Wonderful. I'm gonna swatch this orange. Like, that purple has like a metallic to it. And this is a matte orange. I mean, come on. That is such a pretty orange. Ooh, you know what I just noticed? I think this is the same eyeshadow palette that Jenna Marbles used in her video with Julian, explaining how to do makeup, or how to, you know, anyways, we're gonna try out this blue shade. Ooh, look at that. That's so nice. Oh my lord, I love it. I love it. Ooh, the turquoise. I'm a sucker for turquoise. Like, my gosh. Okay, and then the last but not least one, we ain't got any fingers left here. We're gonna use the thumb. And it's like a lime greeny yellow color. That's kind of what it looks like here. Sorry, I ran out of room. Anyways, give me 1 second. I'm gonna clean my hand up. Okay, we're cleaned, kind of. Okay, we're gonna re-swatch these a little bit, or at least, you know what? We'll try some later. But I'm gonna go through the names of these because they're so cute. Okay, so you have It's a Party is the lime green, and then Damage Control is this turquoise color, and then Karaoke is this blue shade, and then Danks is this orange color. The pink with sparkles in it, it's called Bottoms Up, and it's so freaking amazing. And then the last but not least, one of my other favorites that I've found that I like is called Hungover. It's a dark purple. It looks like a blue, but it's actually like more of a purple. But it's such a cute palette. Sorry, I'm so embarrassed about my nails. I mean, gosh, like look at this. It's just such a good quality palette. Thank you so much, Laura Lee, for coming out with such a great palette. I love it. I'm gonna put the plastic back in it. Anyways, now that we've seen everything in the box, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna read through a little bit of the information about some of these products. Let's see here. I'll try to make this as quick as I can. So the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette, it retails for $19. It's very cute. It says, dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. So that's cute, right? Right? Yeah. Okay. House of Lashes is next. These retail for, it says anywhere between $9 to $12. It says adds extra length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Obviously it says that. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. So that's totally friggin' awesome. I can't wait to try those out, okay? And then we have the SmashBox. Assorted lip products. It says create bold, powerful looks with your new SmashBox lip product. This pigment-loaded color glides on in just one swipe. Okay, to be fair, I had chapstick on, so if I wouldn't had chapstick on, it glided on one time when I put it on my hand. Anyways, back to this. Glides on with just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary, so that's cool. And this retails, says between $21 to $24. So that's really nice. Oh, and once again, the shade is Spectacle. Okay, and then the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrates, and reduces the appearance of dark circles with hyaluronic acid, and diminishes the appearance of wrinkles with aloe leaf extract and lavender oil. Cool and soothe your under eye area. These retail for $13. So that's not a bad price. Not a bad price. Okay, so the Bang Beauty gel liner says use it as an eyeliner, shadow base, or even a touch-up of your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Well, it didn't say that on the box, but I guess now I know I can use this as an eyeshadow or for my eyebrows, or anyways. And then the last thing, the Adesse, I can't pronounce it, I'm sorry. The Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I think they gave me the wrong thing, either that, because it doesn't say, oh it does at the bottom of the box, my bad. Okay, so it says treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, and sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates your nails. This says it retails for $18, so that's not bad for this stuff. Not bad at all. I've seen some nail treatments that are more expensive, but anyways, guys and girls, I hope that you enjoyed everything in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you want to see things like this in the future, please give it a thumbs up as well. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to comment down below. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.